Hi, my name is Chef Zimmerman, and I am the baking instructor in the Pro Foods 1 and in the Pro Foods 2 program here at CTE. Students will make rolls, cookies, cakes from scratch.
We have 3 different levels. We have our Pre-Tech 5 program, which is for students who are sophomores. I'm Chef John Dowman. Students can also take our Professional Foods 1 program as a junior or senior. And students can also sign up for Professional Foods 2.
I love the hospitality industry and food service. I've been a part of it all my life, either in the industry as a food service professional and chef, or as an educator now for over 20 years. I am Chef Barton. I teach the fundamentals of culinary arts here at CTE. Product ID, knife skills, food safety, cooking techniques and methods, and creative literacy lessons that focus on the language of the kitchen. I do this with a strong emphasis on hands-on learning. One of the benefits of a full-day program is that we're in the kitchen every day.
So the majority of the day is spent working in the kitchen in the restaurant. After lunch and cleanup, we often give time to get your academic work for the program done. So the great thing is our bookwork connects right to the kitchen. If you're making an omelet, you're probably going to be doing bookwork on an omelet. You're not going to be doing it on something else.
We place a strong emphasis on the soft skills here in the Professional Foods program. The work ethic, teamwork, personal responsibility, critical thinking and problem solving, communication. These transferable skills prepare students for the next level. It's not so much about getting through high school as it is about being prepared for the next step, whether that next step is post-secondary training, college, or immediate entry into the workforce.
The students that we get in our culinary program are students who are passionate about cooking or are very interested in going into the hospitality and restaurant business.
There's plenty of support in the classroom and in the lab, and mistakes are expected. Mistakes are part of the process in culinary arts in particular. The mistakes facilitate the learning.
Students get to learn front of the house service in our cafe, get to learn about nutrition by using software and putting their recipes that they've designed into there, and also learning how to cost out their recipes so they know how to make a profit in the business. If you're a senior in our program, we can also set up a paid co-op. Many of these end up being a paid position after high school. Students who graduate from our program, many of them will go into a workforce at local restaurants and local businesses. Some will go on to post-secondary at a culinary school, local community college, or a traditional college. Some students have gone on to open their own food service businesses and have been successful.